Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to send an invoice with Wix Invoices on your Wix website. This is a super useful feature if you're running a business and need a professional way to bill your clients directly through your site. And if you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard, which is essentially your control center for managing your entire site. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a navigation menu with various options. Look for the one labeled Getting Paid and click on it. When you do, a drop-down selection will appear with several payment-related features. From this drop-down, go ahead and select Invoices. This is where all your invoicing tools live, and it's designed to help you create, manage, and track your invoices without needing any third-party software. Now that you're in the Invoices section, it's time to create a brand new invoice to send out to your customer. At the top of the page, you'll see a button that says Create New. Click on it, and a small selection list will pop up with a few options. From this list, simply click on Invoice. This starts the invoice creation process and opens up a blank template where you can customize all the details for your specific transaction. Here's where the customization happens. Start by filling in the customer fields at the top. You'll want to enter your client's name, email, and any other relevant contact information so the invoice gets sent to the right person. Next, give your invoice a clear title, something like Website Design Services or Monthly Retainer, depending on what you're billing for. It's also important to check the issue date and due date. The issue date is when you're sending the invoice, and the due date is when you expect payment. Setting a clear due date helps keep your clients accountable and ensures you get paid on time. Now scroll down to the Item section. This is where you'll add your billables or products sold. Click on the drop-down menu to select or add items. You can list individual services, products, or hourly rates, and each item can include a description to give your client more context about what they're being charged for. Once you've added all your items, double-check the totals and taxes. Wix will automatically calculate the subtotal and apply any tax rates you've set up, but it's always smart to review these numbers before sending. Once everything looks good and you're confident all the details are accurate, click on the Send Invoice button. Your invoice will be sent directly to your customer's email, and you'll be able to track when they view it and when payment is received. And that's it. You've successfully sent an invoice using Wix Invoices right from your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.